automatic 3D scanning CNC 5-axis door panel spring printing machine. This 4-minute video shows the real working process of our 3D scanning CNC 5-axis sprayer. Any order of machines after the production, we will run and test the machines for about 2 or 3 days for ensuring the machine is working well in your factory. You can see from the video, after the scanning works, then it can directly come the size into the program. No more manual measurement, no more missed spots, no more reworks. 3D scanning, then 5-axis spring. One machine completes the entire door panel coating process efficiently. High precision 3D scanning CNC 5-axis automatic spring, perfect for all types of door panels. Uniform coating, high efficiency, labor saving, paint saving. Your best choice for door manufacturing and furniture boards. Watching the full video to see real performance. With high precision 3D scanning and CNC 5-axis precision spring, it ensures smooth, uniform, and scratch-free finishes, perfect to luxury solid wood doors, custom carved doors, and high-end composite doors. Easy operate, reduce training cost, no more reworks, saving time and cost, customizable to your production volume and door size. If you have any interest and want to upgrade your production line, contact us to get more details, information, and the price.